Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to export Google Keep Notes. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now let's jump right in. First of all, open up the Google Keep Notes, and if I want to export this note right here, what I need to do is hold on this note, and you will get at the top right is that option of three dots. Tap on it and click on copy to Google Docs. Once you do that, open it up. Once you simply and now you can easily just go and paste that copied note if you want to send someone that, for example, on the Google account, on the Gmail account, or anything else. If I click on that, you can also just make a copy or even click on send. If I click on send, from here I can also export it. But if you're not getting this option, just copy that note and just paste it in your contact where you want it to be like exported. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.